Welcome to the latest construction update for Fabbrica Fitzroy. As the project continues to take shape on site, we're pleased to share the progress we've made over the last quarter. Since our last update, the project has reached a significant milestone with the concrete structure now complete, with the majority of windows and glazing now in place. The perimeter scaffold is being progressively removed, revealing the building's facade, including the feature precast panels and restored heritage elements. Internally, fit-out works are advancing well. Plastering is now underway up to level 4, with tiling to bathrooms and wet areas now commenced. Balcony cladding is also progressing, further enclosing apartments, and exposed concrete soffits are being cleaned and sealed. Over the coming months, joinery installation is scheduled to commence, followed by painting and the internal fit-off of appliances and fixtures. Lift installation will continue and the tower crane will be removed along with the remaining scaffold. At this stage, we remain on track for our targeted construction completion in Q4 2026. That concludes our latest update for Fabbrica. We look forward to bringing you the next construction update in June.